Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 12. The name of the unit is The King Keeps His Appointment. We already done its part A and B, so let's move towards its part C, that is learning about language. Simple tenses. Look at the following. Past, he walked. Present, he walks. Future, he will walk. Here are some sentences written in the simple tenses. Say whether they are in the past, present, or future. Yesterday, Mohsin played football with his friend. Past. Sajid will return to England on Tuesday. Future tense. Mohsin fell on the grass. Past tense. Seema sings very sweetly. Present tense. We like her, but she does not like us. Present tense. Here are some sentences in the continuous tenses. Say whether they are in the past, present, or future. Salim is walking to the market at the moment. Present tense. Yesterday the children were playing in the rain. Past tense. She will be seeing the headmaster in a few minutes. Future tense. They were playing but he was sleeping. Past. Rihan will be flying on New York in an aeroplane. Future. The dog is barking at the thief. Present. Next one is perfect tense. Now look at the following tenses. Past, he had walked. Present, he has walked. Future, he will have walked. Make your own sentences using the following verbs in the perfect tense. First one is has taught. The teacher has taught us another unit. Had brought. They had brought very beautiful gift. Will have spoken. I will have spoken about his misbehavior to the headmaster. Have received. I have received his letter yesterday. Today. Had mentioned. He had mentioned your name in his letter. In your notebook, make similar tables for the following verbs like this, and the verbs are jump, write, fight, teach, draw. First word is jump. Past tense, simple tense, past, he jumped. Present, he jumps. Future, he will jump. Continuous tense, he was jumping. Present, he is jumping. Future, he will be jumping. Perfect tense. Past, he had jumped. Present, he has jumped. And future, he will have jumped. Next word is write. Simple tense. Past, he wrote. Present, he writes. Future, he will write. Continuous tense. Past, he was writing. He is writing. Present, future, he will be. He is written. He will be written. Perfect tense. He had written. He has written. He will have written. Next word is fight. Simple past, he fought. Present, he fights. Future, he will fight. Continuous, he was fighting. Present, he is fighting. Future, he will be fighting. Past perfect, he had food. Present, he has food. And future, he will have food. Next word is teach. Simple past, he thought, he taught. Perfect, he teaches. Future, he will teach. Present. Continuous, he was teaching, he is teaching, he will be teaching. Perfect tense, he had taught, he has taught, he will have taught. Next word is draw. He drew. He draws, he will draw. He was drawing, he is drawing, he will be drawing. Perfect. He had drawn, he has drawn, he will have drawn. What do you think happens at the coronation? Does Rodolphe become king or is he found out? Think about what happens when he meets the king's brother, Black Michael. How does Black Michael feel about seeing the king looking well? Write a few sentences about what you think happened at the palace. No, I think he was not found out and he became the king. When he met Black Michael, he pretended to be the real king. He said that he had already found out that his wine was drugged, so he did not drink it. Black Michael started trembling with fear. He could not believe that the king might be so well prepared for the coronation. When he saw that his plan failed and he is about to be caught and killed, he fled to the jungle. Later on, the real king recovered and was crowned in secret. Nobody ever knew that Rodolphe had pretended to be their king for a few days.